What's up? This is Boots from cyborgteam.com. Today I got another mechanical keyboard. This is the wired mechanical keyboard model PC356A. A few months ago I did a review on a very similar keyboard. It's actually the Bluetooth. It's actually the wireless version of this keyboard. It was also 60% body. It had Bluetooth wireless and 2.4 gigahertz wireless. Now this keyboard here is if you like the design of that keyboard but you didn't need all the wireless functionality, this one is for you. Now before we crack into it, I need a favor. I need you to hit like, I need you to hit subscribe. Check out the links in the description. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. All right, let's crack in. Nice plain box, PC356A, nothing too much else here. So let's see what we got inside. Okay, there's your little manual here. Put that to the side. There's the keyboard, and what other goodies we got? So we got a keycap puller and USB-C to USB-A, and that is right angle. Awesome. And that's about it. Pull this keyboard out. Very lightweight. There's almost nothing to it. On your side here, this is where you'll plug in your USB-C cable and an indicator light. Nothing on the top, nothing on the sides there, and on the back, just a little bit more manufacturer information. You got some kick-up feet. Got some rubberized feet. Okay, not too bad. So let's plug this in and see what we got. It lights up with different colors there. Let's go ahead and check out the different lighting modes first. So this is a rainbow backlit. It's not RGB. So you can't change the colors of the keys, but you can change some of these patterns here by hitting function and P. And this will give you just different lighting effects. And I'll just cycle through those real quick. Little chasing lights here, and just random lit keys here. And you can also change, again, you can change the speed. You make it slow if you want. You can make it faster. You can make it brighter. You can make it dimmer. P. That's another effect. That one's just static. That's a breathing. That's about it. It's about 8 different lighting modes there. And as you could hear, I got clicky blue switches. I believe that was the only option that came in. And so let's see what those sound like in typing mode. Very pleasant typing experience. Stabilizers aren't too bad. They feel like they're lubed. I'm sorry. Let's see what switches they gave us. Usually on these budget keyboards, it's OTEMU, but not every time. And the brand of these switches says ET. I am unfamiliar. I haven't had those switches before, but they're box style switches and they feel pretty good. I mean, I don't have anything to complain about. They're not very audible though, as you can tell. They're more like brown switches. Like you can feel the tactility, but the audible click isn't really there. No, these are very quiet blue switches. So these are the quietest clicky blue switches I've ever heard. The tactility feels good though. ABS keycaps, nice lightweight design. Only thing you have on here is a little logo right there on the space bar. But it's not too bad. You got your kick up feet. It's kind of like a no frills type keyboard. You just need something, maybe you are looking for something to just carry around with you in case you need a keyboard for your tablet or something. This is pretty dope. Again, it comes with keycap puller and your right angle USB-C cable. Overall, not too bad. I can't complain about it. I believe this was $30 on Amazon. I'll leave links in the description. If you have any questions about it, hit me up in the comments. But that's going to do it for this one, guys. Thanks for joining me. I'm out. Peace.